I'm CA Delaney, and I'm going to tell you how to clean your microwave on a budget. The first step is to buy one singular, unless you make a mistake, lemon. Gotta pick the right one without touching any other ones. This one feels right. Hi, welcome to my cooking channel. The first step, once you've acquired your lemon and waited a couple days just so it gets a little discolored, that's not an actual step, it's just a mistake I've made. Get your bowl, get a knife, doesn't have to be this sharp, cut your lemon in half. Really use those good sawing motions. And you're doing this in the bowl so you keep all those good lemon juices, which are essential to this process. You got your beautiful lemon. Give it some squeezes. You want the lemon juice and apparently all these seeds right in the bowl. Y'all hear that? All right, now the rest goes in the bowl, and we're gonna move on to step 2. Welcome to step 2 of the process. The next thing you're gonna need is a 1/2 cup measuring cup, and I'm just gonna fill it up with some water. And pour it right in our lemon bowl. All right. Step 3 is to open your microwave, put our lovely concoction in, set the time for 3 minutes. Now this is gonna go. And now it's gonna beep. And your first instinct is going to be to open the microwave, because that's what you've done your whole life. But don't do it. It's a trap. You now have to set a timer for an additional 5 minutes to let this marinate. All right, now the 5 minutes is up. You waited, you made it. We're going to remove the warm lemon concoction. Don't drink that. I don't know if it's poison or not now. But this is the important part. Get your paper towels. Give your microwave the good wipe down again. And now your microwave is beautiful and it smells nice again. Take care of your things, folks. And it's hygienic. Have a good night. It's me, CA Delaney. Bye.